New for 2024. I don't know whether my stealth car camper blew up last year, and I've just put a deposit on a new car to convert, so that will be coming. And I'm just messing with this new video editing thing, so I can produce my videos easier as I travel. So I hope you'll sort of bear with me a bit. So also new is I've had to give her the harmonica up, and we've now gone to playing a cigar box guitar, so I'll do some videos on that if this software's easier to use. So yeah, that's about all I wanted to say. This is just to see whether I can, you know, do a voiceover on a video and just messing with it. But I will upload it, and yeah, if you're into sort of stealth camping or micro car camping, van life, or anything in the UK, yeah, I'll be producing more of that.
When the captain said to load with juice, we were running with lightning. My nerve was getting blinding of use. On the main drag into the middle of the night, left the green trail on Route 53. We reached the top of the Cassie shore and rolled straight down in